Welcome to the Auto Expert. Today I'm thrilled to share with you an in-depth look at the all-new 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor, a pickup truck that is redefining what it means to combine raw power, advanced technology, and rugged off-road capability in a mid-size package. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Ranger Raptor's bold, aggressive stance speaks volumes about its performance credentials. The exterior design is a masterclass in modern automotive engineering, featuring sharply sculpted lines, a wide commanding grille with signature Raptor badging, and angular LED lighting that not only enhances its striking appearance, but also provides superior illumination on and off the road. Every contour of the body has been meticulously crafted to improve aerodynamic efficiency while retaining the robust, muscular look that Ford enthusiasts have come to love. The aggressive fender flares, high ground clearance, and reinforced skid plates are not just for show. They are engineered to protect vital components during off-road excursions, ensuring that the truck can handle the toughest terrains without compromise. Under the hood, the 2025 Ranger Raptor is a tour de force of engineering. Ford has introduced an all-new powertrain that perfectly balances power and efficiency. At its heart lies a high-power mat engine developed with input from Ford's performance division, which delivers exceptional horsepower and torque. This engine, designed to perform in both high-speed highway conditions and the unpredictable challenges of off-road driving, has been fine-tuned to provide rapid acceleration and responsive throttle control. Mated to an advanced multi-speed automatic transmission, the power is delivered smoothly and efficiently, ensuring that every shift is perfectly calibrated for maximum performance. Whether you are navigating winding back roads or powering through rugged off-road trails, the Ranger Raptor responds with a precision and authority that is truly exhilarating. The combination of robust torque output and state-of-the-art transmission technology means that the truck not only accelerates quickly but also maintains a steady and controlled drive in any situation. Inside, the cabin of the 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor is a harmonious blend of rugged durability and modern luxury. The interior has been designed with both the driver and passengers in mind, offering a spacious, ergonomic layout that is as practical as it is comfortable. High-quality materials, including soft-touch surfaces and durable accents, create an environment that exudes refinement while remaining resilient against the rigors of off-road use. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, providing real-time performance data, navigation, and diagnostic information at a glance. Complementing this is an advanced infotainment system that seamlessly integrates with your smartphone through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring that you remain connected even when you are miles away from civilization. Voice-activated controls and an intuitive touchscreen interface allow for effortless access to a range of functions, from music and navigation to vehicle settings and performance data. Every detail inside the cabin, from the supportive seating to the intelligently designed storage spaces, has been crafted to enhance the overall driving experience and ensure that both long road trips and short urban drives are as comfortable as they are engaging. Ford has not overlooked safety in the development of the Ranger Raptor. The truck is packed with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems that work together to provide unparalleled protection on every journey. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a state-of-the-art collision avoidance system that monitors the environment for potential hazards. Multiple airbags, reinforced door structures, and a high-strength frame work in harmony to ensure that occupants remain secure even in the most demanding conditions. The integration of these safety features with the vehicle's robust performance capabilities means that drivers can push the limits with confidence, knowing that they are supported by cutting-edge technology that prioritizes their well-being. Furthermore, Ford's commitment to sustainability is evident in the Ranger Raptor's engineering. The powertrain is designed to optimize fuel efficiency and reduce emissions without compromising on performance, reflecting a forward-thinking approach to environmental responsibility in the world of high-performance vehicles. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2025 Ranger Raptor is its off-road capability. Designed to tackle the most challenging environments, this truck comes equipped with a sophisticated suspension system that includes upgraded shocks and a finely tuned chassis to absorb impacts from rough terrain. Multiple drive modes allow the driver to tailor the truck's performance to the conditions at hand. Whether you are navigating rocky trails, traversing sandy dunes, or cruising along a smooth highway. The advanced traction control system works in tandem with the suspension to maintain optimal grip and stability, even when conditions are less than ideal. Enhanced ground clearance, aggressive tire treads, and reinforced underbody protection combine to ensure that the Ranger Raptor is more than capable of overcoming obstacles that would leave lesser vehicles stranded. For off-road enthusiasts, every journey becomes an adventure and every challenge is met with a level of capability that is both impressive and reliable. In addition to its impressive mechanical prowess, the 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor offers a range of innovative technological features that set it apart from its competitors. The integrated connectivity system not only keeps you informed with real-time traffic updates and weather conditions, but also allows for remote vehicle diagnostics and over-the-air software updates, ensuring that your truck remains at the forefront of performance innovation long after it leaves the showroom. Customizable drive settings and performance profiles mean that you can fine-tune every aspect of the vehicle to suit your personal driving style, whether you are seeking maximum power for spirited driving or a more economical mode for everyday use. This level of personalization extends to the in-vehicle entertainment system as well, where premium sound quality and seamless smartphone integration transform every drive into an immersive experience. The intuitive design of the dashboard and controls makes it easy to access and manage all of these features, meaning that advanced technology is always at your fingertips without detracting from the simplicity and ease of use that Ford is known for. The overall driving experience provided by the 2025 Ranger Raptor is one of balance and versatility. It combines the best aspects of high-performance engineering with the practical needs of a modern pickup truck, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, from demanding work environments to weekend adventures off the beaten path. The truck's ability to deliver rapid acceleration, coupled with its robust handling and stability systems, ensures that it remains confident and composed even when pushed to its limits. This dynamic performance is complemented by a suspension system that provides both comfort and control, absorbing the bumps and jolts of uneven terrain while keeping the cabin remarkably quiet and refined. Whether you are navigating city streets or venturing into remote landscapes, the 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor is engineered to offer a driving experience that is both exhilarating. The design philosophy behind the Ranger Raptor is one of uncompromising performance and relentless innovation. Ford's engineers have drawn on decades of expertise in both on-road and off-road vehicle design to create a truck that not only meets but exceeds the expectations of today's drivers. Every element of the Ranger Raptor, from its aggressive exterior styling to its sophisticated powertrain and advanced technology, has been carefully considered to deliver a product that is both practical and exhilarating. The result is a vehicle that embodies the spirit of adventure, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in a mid-size pickup truck. Early reviews from automotive experts and enthusiasts alike have praised the Ranger Raptor for its seamless integration of power, technology, and comfort, noting that it sets a new benchmark in its class. It stands as a testament to Ford's commitment to innovation and its understanding of the evolving needs of modern drivers. As you experience the all-new 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor, it becomes clear that this is more than just a truck, it is a statement. It represents a bold vision for the future of performance vehicles, where power and efficiency go hand in hand with advanced technology and refined design. With its impressive off-road capabilities, luxurious yet durable interior, and a suite of features that cater to both driver and passenger, the Ranger Raptor is poised to become the benchmark for mid-size pickup trucks. Ford has successfully merged rugged practicality with high-performance dynamics, offering a vehicle that is as capable in the wilderness as it is on the open road. For those who demand a vehicle that can do it all, the 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor delivers an experience that is as empowering as it is exhilarating. This is the Auto Expert signing off, inviting you to stay tuned for more exclusive insights and comprehensive reviews on the latest innovations in automotive performance. Whether you're a dedicated off-road enthusiast or simply someone who appreciates top-notch engineering, the Ranger Raptor is ready to take you on a journey where every drive is an adventure and every road leads to new possibilities.